The claims process is defining moment in the non-life insurance customer relationship. ACO helps you to retain the customer base by simply downloading an app. The seamless connectivity that the insurance companies has with its customers. Good morning and welcome to the first session in Unit 5, Principles and Practice of General Insurance, where we are going to talk about an interesting topic known as the settlement of claims, the claim procedure itself. Now, insurance claim is a formal request to an insurance company asking for a payment based on the terms of the insurance policy. Now, the insurance company reviews the claim for its validity and then pays out the insured or the requesting party once it has been approved. Now, what is very important about a claims procedure here? We all know that the claim on an insurance will happen on certain incident, will happen on certain criteria. So once the person is going to make a claim, he is going to say that yes, these are the claims, this is what I want to go ahead. Then the insurance company will immediately look into it and then start claiming the policy to say that, okay, based on these terms and conditions, based on the factors of approval, the insurance will be approved for that person and then they will settle the claim altogether. Now, the non-life insurance company, that's what we have been speaking about, is been expressing and seeing a lot of trends that have been shifting across. One on the functions of the insurance itself and the way how the claims are being processed. The first thing is that the claims process is defining moment in the non-life insurance customer relationship. Why do I make use of this sentence or a statement? In a non-life, that is in general insurance, what happens is that this is not something which is just like a life insurance where you are going to claim the insurance after the death. Now, in a general insurance, the occurrence of an accident, the occurrence of a mishap or any kind of incident which is going to put my entire business in jeopardy is high. There are several risks that are involved in the environment which could affect my business on a day-to-day basis and can pull the entire environment apart. So that's why I would always say that this kind of activity definitely needs to be looked about. It needs to be thought about it. So what happens here is that when a person has taken insurance and that person goes ahead and says that I want to claim my insurance based on the incident that has happened on my property. Now, let me take an example here. There was a sudden fire breakout and now my house got completely gutted because of the fire. Now, the insurance company had promised me stating that they would process the claim within 24 hours. But when I go to the insurance company, the person is again asking me for documentation. He is withholding my application because of some formalities or for some reason. Now, what happens here is that as a customer, I shall start doubting the company, saying that you had made empty promises and now you're not fulfilling it. So this is where the defining moment of the insurance comes into position. Why? Because if you have promised the customer that yes, you will go ahead and take care of the insurance, you will go ahead and finish off the claims on time basis, then automatically you are building a stronger customer base. People want an immediate settlement with less documentation and faster appreciation of money. So that's why claims procedure plays a central role in terms of deciding the entire insurance act. To retain and grow the market share and improve customer acquisition retention rate, insurers are focused on enhancing customer claims and experience. So very, very important here. Why? Because if I have to retain and grow on the market, I'm talking about a situation, a scenario where we have to retain the scenario, we have to grow the customer base, we have to make the customer providing with an enhanced value factors altogether. That means you need to be very sharp, very diligent, and also proactive in terms of hearing out the customer's complaint and taking it forward. Now, the next thing is that in a highly competitive insurance market, the differentiation through new and more effective claims management practices is one of the most important and effective ways to maintain market share and profitability. No doubts about it. With ACO coming into picture, most of the companies like LIC, or if I'm going to talk about a general insurance, or I'm going to talk about ICICI Lombard, all these companies are suddenly facing the heat of answering these settlement factors. Why is that? Now, ACO does something which most of the customers definitely like. It's a paperless transaction. Point number one. Point number two is that you can get the claims done in a fraction of time. And the third thing is that ACO helps you to retain the customer base by simply downloading an app. Now, again, you don't have to go to the insurance office. You don't have to sign in some 20 different forms, or you don't have to keep asking people about the procedures and documentation. Everything is available to you on your mobile app itself. So what does this typically tell us is that nowadays insurance has to be customized. It has to be tailor-made in order to retain the customer. Now, if you want to make a customer be loyal to your company, that means the effective use of technology, the effective use of the product knowledge, and the use of the factors of insurance will definitely help you to retain your customers. In particular, insurers can transform the claims by processing or by leveraging the modern claim systems that are highly integrated with the artificial intelligence, the robust documentation procedure, content management systems, and so on. This will enhance the claims processing efficiency and effectiveness. So no doubt about it, we are in a world of asking ourselves this question again and again, that is information technology going to be the key driver, whether you are in the insurance vertical or you are in the finance vertical or any other vertical as far as possible. If you're not going to integrate your business with innovation and technology, I think the survival would not be possible at all. So definitely insurance companies are looking in for more of data analytics, more of artificial intelligence and high-end technologies which can make them survive and which can also ensure them growth in the coming years. Followed by, it can benefit the insurers both operationally and strategically by enabling them to reduce the cost and improve their combined ratio. Now, one side, when we are talking about the customer retention, the customer platform, customization, tailor-made apps. The other side, from the company perspective, it becomes highly important for each one of us to understand here that we are talking about the cost-cutting factors also. So if we are able to combine and we are able to reduce the cost factor and take it forward like any other systems that we have been talking about or any other process that we have been able to talk about, that will definitely help us to go on the drive customer retention process altogether as well as on the acquisition part. So one side we are trying to improve the process, the other side we are trying to reduce the cost, and in the long run we are keeping the customer in our mind. So retention, reduction and the growth, all these factors have to come into picture. They have to be synchronized together, and then only you will be able to see success. Now, the next thing is, today in an insurance office, the claim procedure is built upon the following factors: the claim document and content management tool, mobile-based, smartphone-based technology solution, STP processing to minimize delay on the time process based. Now, the modern claim platform, which is seamless and robust. Now, you will be able to appreciate this factor in insurance business is that we are going paperless from the last 1 or 2 years. And the second thing is that the seamless connectivity that the insurance companies has with its customers. You might be located in any corner of the world, but moment you need an insurance, moment you need a backup, backup or you need some sort of a support, all you need to do is that switch on your mobile and download the app. You can send the claim process request. It gets done within a fraction of time and you are being credited with the insurance amount or the claim amount. Now, what is happening very clearly and distinctively in terms of the insurance business is that we are using technology as an enabler, as a connectivity tool, rather than just as a high-end knowledge platform altogether. We are using this technology in such a manner that this becomes a referral tool for each one of us and to make the claim procedure more simpler. Now, because most of the people do not understand the complication behind in case of claim procedure, but by using all this mobile content and the technology, we will be able to get a better outlook altogether. Followed by, with which I would like to come to the end of this particular session. I hope and believe that all the information that has been shared through this particular session will be of a great help and resource to you. In the upcoming sessions, we shall be speaking more about the claim procedures and the settlement process. But until then, stay tuned, stay blessed, and stay enlightened forever. Thank you once again for joining me today on this wonderful session.